Welcome to Retro Decade. Today we'll be doing a fix and restore on two Nintendo 64 controller memory packs. This should be a relatively easy project, and the only tool required is a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Something that always kind of confused me when I was a kid about my Nintendo 64 was that despite it being a cartridge-based system, there were still games that needed a memory card to save. Of course, as an adult, I understand that was cost-cutting, but still, it just didn't really seem right. However, that's not what we'll be fixing today. Instead, our goal here is to just get some working controller packs. Recently, while streaming, I discovered that my controller packs, well, the first one says it's corrupt, the second one says there's no controller pack found, so that's not good. I wondered to myself, do these have batteries? Well, it turns out that yes, they do, so today I'm going to give you a short video on how to change them. Now, there are a lot of different cards on the market for the N64. This is only for the Performance brand. However, if yours are different, it may work the same inside, it may not. But these particular cards are really simple. So first, you're going to want to get access to the inside by removing these 4 screws found here and here. Remove the board from the plastic housing and flip it over to gain access to the battery. Now that you have access to the battery, it's time to remove it. For this, I used a Q-tip as well as just my fingernails to push the battery out from under this connector. As you can see, there's a small metal tab that holds it in place, but with a little bit of force, that'll move out of the way. Best of all, these are just run-of-the-mill CR2032 button cell batteries. I was able to pick a couple up at the store for just a few dollars. Installation's just as easy. You just put the new battery in the same way the old came out, positive up, negative down. And once that's in place, it's time to reassemble. Initially, this didn't actually work. It took me a few seconds of brainstorming, but I realized that what I really needed to do also was to clean the pins on the memory cards themselves. This is exactly the same as cleaning the pins on any sort of cartridge or cartridge-based video game. Scrubbing down the pins with a Q-tip that's doused in rubbing alcohol cleared it right up. Another interesting thing is that whenever I initially tested, the memory cards came up and said that they were corrupted. However, unlike before, whenever I select for the N64 to repair, it actually works. Now there's clear slots available for saving. Alright, so there you have it. A very simple and easy fix that you can do on your own to get your memory cards working again for your Nintendo 64. Finally, it's time to play some games. I don't have any ammo. That's not good.